me go on with it.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
Toast, yeah. So we are coming in with a force.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Manifa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this simple, easy, quick summer hairstyle. If you guys would like to see how I did this, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow all my social media platforms. It will be linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And let's just get into the video. The bun and everything is slicked back. I'm gonna do my edges later, but first we're gonna get the hair. So the hair that I'm using is the Janet collection wig. It's a full wig. It's a full, not a full lace wig, but a lace base deep part wig, and we're gonna make a ponytail out of this. Okay, make it a little, ponytail. So let's do that. It has two clips here and a clip in the back and this drawstring. So we're gonna try to see. I'm gonna clip these two to the bun. Let me turn around so y'all can see, but I also have to see. So I'm just gonna clip this onto to secure it on. Try to wrap it around, how long it is. So now, since I got it installed, I'm gonna do my edges to just put the entire look together. Let's do the edges real quick. So for my edges, I'm using the Gabriela snot because this holds your edges down all day long. Through rain, sleet, snow, sweat, this holds your edges down. Now the Eco Style Gel, it holds your edges down, but it can't weather the storm. This hold is not as strong as this, and we trying to keep this nice and snatched, okay? Edges are done. What I'm gonna do now is tie them down to make sure that they're secured and that they stay all day. We're just gonna tie them down. That they come out nice. And that's basically it. I'm gonna reveal how this look when I'm finished. So yeah.